You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome. Today we're discussing an exciting topic for those considering a move across the pond: job opportunities for Americans in England. Whether you're drawn to the historical charm of London, the vibrant tech scenes in Manchester, or the academic excellence of Oxford, England has so much to offer. So what are the types of job opportunities? England's job market in 2024 is thriving across various sectors, from tech hubs like London's Silicon Roundabout to emerging centers in Manchester and Bristol. There are ample opportunities in software development, cybersecurity, and so much more. Finance remains strong in London, and healthcare and engineering sectors are also booming in cities like Manchester and Birmingham, making them hotspots for skilled workers. According to recent data, cities like Oxford and York are emerging as top job hubs. Oxford's tech sector is expanding rapidly, and York offers competitive salaries and a dense business landscape, making it a magnet for talent across many industries. But what about navigating the application process? Understanding the visa process is so crucial if you're considering making the move. Options like the skilled worker visa and the graduate route visa offer pathways for employment. Securing a job offer from a UK employer is often a prerequisite, along with meeting English language and financial requirements. Professional advice and support can streamline this process. But what about living and working in England? Beyond the job prospects, living in England offers so much rich cultural experiences. The cost of living does vary by region, with London being pricier than cities like Manchester. Embracing the local culture and building professional networks are key to settling in. Public transport is extensive, but obtaining a UK driver's license might be beneficial depending on your location. Here are some expert insight from SDC International Shipping. With over 15 years of expertise in international relocations, we're here to help you have a stress-free moving with our personalized assistance. For those planning a move, consider expert relocation services like those offered by SDC International Shipping. From packing to custom clearance, our service ensures a seamless transition. We also provide valuable insight into popular destinations and local amenities. We will make your move to England smooth and stress-free. That wraps up today's episode as we looked at job opportunities for Americans in England. Whether you're pursuing a career in tech, finance, healthcare, or engineering, England's diverse opportunities and supportive services make it an attractive destination. Thanks for listening. Visit our website for a free estimate. Contact us for personalized moving solutions, and then fill out a form to get started on your move today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.